In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the download quota exceeded for this file error on Google Drive. If you've encountered this error, you know how frustrating it can be. Essentially what happens is that when a file on Google Drive has been downloaded an excessive number of times in a short period, Google temporarily halts further downloads. This is designed to prevent excessive server traffic, but it can be quite inconvenient when you just need access to your file. Thankfully, there are some straightforward steps you can follow to bypass this issue and successfully download your files. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive and sign into your account. Go to My Drive, where you'll find your files and folders. Now, this is a good time to remind you that organization can really help in keeping everything manageable, so maybe create a specific folder for files you're frequently downloading or sharing to make future activities easier. Next, you'll need to access the Shared with Me section. This is a space within your Google Drive that displays all the files and folders others have shared with you. It's particularly useful because often the files causing download issues are ones that are widely shared. Open the shared file causing the problem by simply clicking on it. Once the file is open in Google Drive, the next step is crucial. Click on File in the top menu and then select Make a Copy. This step will essentially duplicate the file into your own Google Drive account, granting you full ownership over this new version. Save this duplicate to a folder in My Drive or wherever you see fit. By doing this, the copy is not subject to the original file's download restrictions, and as a result, you should be able to download it without encountering any further problems. Finally, go to the location in your Google Drive where you save the copy. Here, you'll find the file ready for download. Simply right-click on it and select Download to complete the process. This approach works wonderfully because you're downloading a version of the file that is now solely under your control, free from the previous download quota limitations originally imposed. By following these steps, you'll have successfully bypassed the download quota issue on Google Drive. It's a simple method but an effective one, ensuring you can access the files you need without unnecessary hassle. If you find this solution helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your Google Drive experience smoother and free from errors in the future.